Alright, so this is the reflection for August 30th. I think it's... Alright. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. Okay, where is the pocket watch that I made? Okay, so this gold piece is, okay, like, whatever she's yapping about, I have no idea. But, okay, so this gold piece is the pocket watch I'm almost done making. I have so many iterations. You see all these? These are all iterations. I think I have like 29 iterations. Anyway, we're done. This works. Let me show you the model that works. I'm not sure okay, so I'm just gonna use this one to show you that it works like a charm. And I'm gonna just transplant the spring because it is 1 something in the morning and I lack the physical stamina. Jeez, do this again. This is just very tiresome. If you don't know, bending springs is very tiresome because it requires a lot of your attention, which I don't want to spend any time like right now. I just don't want the hassle. I just want to go to bed, honestly. But more than wanting to go to bed, I want to see this thing working. So the problem, I mean, it's not even a problem, but I outdid myself here. So you see this is the main body. So these 2 holes are for the chains, which someone said they needed change, so I made it for them. I'm just gonna recreate one side right now, so that's not too tiring. Insert this one. Okay, come on. Okay, so now before I insert it, this gold filament is new. This is silk, PLA silk, and new filaments are great, except, you know, they aren't dried, so they're not exactly the most accurate pieces of plastic that you've ever made. So that's really no problem, right? I just have to lob off some pieces of plastic and then it works fine. See? It works fine. Okay, so now I'm just gonna insert this rod. Fingers crossed it works. Come on. Wiggle it in there. Okay, the rod fits like a charm, and it works like a charm. Okay. That is, honestly, I am so proud of this. Do you know how long this took? 29 goddamn iterations. You know, I don't really have time to listen to my mom talking about her friend's abusive mother-in-law. I don't care. I mean, maybe I should, but I don't care enough. It is none of my business, and I am too busy living my own life. You see this? You see this little devil? You see how small that is? This is the spring that activates it. I hate this thing. You know how I make this? You see this rod of strip of filament? Yes, you bend that until it becomes a spring. Do you know how goddamn painful that is? Anyway, it works now. So I'm going to put it in here. You know, oh no, they should call it a project log, but oh my god, my butterfingers. But I'm not going to title it that. I'm going to title it video reflection, because this basically summarizes my last 3 days. And then this bridge right here, since if I just put this in, it's going to wobble. This bridge is in for stability, and honestly, it doesn't wobble. This piece is purely in for the luxury aspect of this print. It makes it look fancy and stable. The stability is there, whether I put this thing or not. And I also got to slab more off of it because I don't know for some reason, but PLA silk is somehow less to no one's surprise, at least not to mine, less physically stable and sturdy compared to PLA Plus, which is basically built for stability. Anyway, so this goes, at least the dimensions aren't too warped. They work, which is my definition of not too warped. But okay, so this fits just like in the one with the black filament. The black filament is my go-to because these spools print like absolute charms. They are lovely print filaments. This personally is LW, which stands for less work. I don't know what that stands for, but basically it is. When I sand this thing, it's gonna sand easier to sand. Okay, now we've encountered what seems to be a bit of a problem. What are we seeing here? No, not a problem. Or actually, okay. You know what? Not a problem. Not a problem. Easy fix. Can we please just make my life easier for the sake of God? Why does this thing have to be? Everybody's talking to people. Why am I talking to plastic filament? Especially you. You're being very... Such a pain in the ass. Okay. Thank you very much. Now it works like a charm. Screw you. You know what? Seriously, what is wrong with you, dude? Nah, dude. What is wrong with you? Ah, okay. Okay, I see the semi-problem. This thing wants the thing... I cannot make complete sentences because I am not used to being awake at this hour. Okay. It works, but when you close it back, you need to find the sweet spot of... Now, why would this problem happen? Because this bridge, for some reason... Okay, you know what? I am going to remove you like a cavity and pull you up. Thank you. It needs to be higher up. The bridge is the problem. Okay? And now it works like a charm. Thank you. Okay, so, yeah, we're having a bit of a problem. Okay, what is this? This is the... Okay, you know what? I have decided the bridge is not to blame. I'm just gonna lob off this bit of material right here, which is on the right end right here. And now, it works way better. The bridge can stay. I am sorry, it was not your fault. Perfect. Alice in Wonderland. That is... Shit, that works like a charm. And plus I have these wings, so you can hold it while you're doing it, and it works even better with them. I'm honestly very proud of this. This may not be the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Oh, but it works. My jeez. Simple flick, and it works. I'm gonna fucking go to bed. I'm gonna wake up at 10. Fuck you. I'm gonna bed. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Actually, don't, because I don't know. But have an...